Hello students, today in this video of class 8 social science, we learn about the condition of the untouchables and the reform movements those were done for them. So let's start the video. Condition of the untouchables. Their condition was very pathetic. They performed several work such as removing dead bodies, making leather goods, tanning leather, sweeping streets and cleaning toilets and drains. But upper caste regarded them as impure and a lot of restrictions were imposed on them. For example, they were not allowed to enter in the temples, not allowed to present in any of the religious function, etc. Beginning of the caste reform movement. During the 18th century, the spread of ideas such as humanism, equality, and reasoning made people questioning about the inequalities those were exist that time. The rule of the British in India brought about some very dynamic changes as their laws were same for all castes. For example, aboard a railway coach, all classes traveled together. This compelled the people of different castes to mingle with each other. Other than this, some outcast communities were also able to prosper under the British rule. For example, during the British period, demand for shoes increased, so communities like Madigas prospered. Now let's learn about some of the social reformers. Jyotirao Govindarao Phule. He was born in a family of flour seller and he received English education against opposition from the orthodox sections. Phule fought hard to end caste discrimination and Brahmana domination in Maharashtra. He organized marriages without the help of priests, or we can say Brahmins. He propagated the idea that this land in reality belonged to the lower caste who were the native of this land. And in the year 1873, he wrote a book titled Gulamgiri, which he dedicated to the American movement. He also formed the Satyashodak Samaj, whose primary aim was to improve the condition of the oppressed classes. M.G. Ranade and Ramakrishna. Justice Mahadeva Govind Ranade and Ramakrishna Bhandarkar were two prominent reformers from Maharashtra. In 1867, they founded an organization called the Prarthana Samaj with the objective of abolishing caste system. In 1887, they founded the National Social Conference with the purpose of working for social reforms throughout the country. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Particularly, he was known for his writings in Marathi language. He attacked the priestly class and the caste system, and that's why he was also called Lokahitvadi. Swami Vivekananda. The real name of Swami Vivekananda was Narendranath Datta. He was one of the most famous disciples of Ramakrishna. After analyzing Indian and Western philosophy, he attacked prevalent superstitions and narrow-mindedness. He firmly opposed caste system and untouchability. He believed in reforming the society through education and social service, and for this he founded Ramakrishna Mission.